In this example, we'll be looking at percentiles. The tuition rates in thousands of dollars for 25 universities are listed below. Part A, find the percentile that corresponds to 26,000, or data entry 26. Let's look at this Part A first. Notice that here that your data set of 25 different university tuition rates are out of order. So the first thing you need to do is get your data in order from least to greatest. And here I have my data ordered from least to greatest. Now, to calculate the percentile that corresponds to 26,000, let's look at our formula for percentiles. Percentile of x equals number of data entries less than x divided by the total number of data entries times 100. Let's locate our data entry of 26. So the percentile of x is equal to the total number of data entries less than x. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by the total number of data entries, 25, times 100. 7 divided by 25 is 0.28 times 100 is 28. So 26,000 corresponds to the 28th percentile. Now let's look at Part B. What tuition rates are below the 40th percentile? To calculate this, we're going to use the same formula, percentile of x equals the number of data entries less than x divided by the total number of data entries times 100. But we'll be solving for the numerator. Let's substitute in what we know. The percentile of x is going to be 40 because that's the 40th percentile. The number of data entries less than x, I'm just going to put number data just for short, something so I don't have to write out that long expression. The total number of data entries is 25 times 100. Now, to solve this problem, for the numerator, we need to divide both sides by 100. Next, we need to multiply by 25. So we have 10 equals the number of data points less than x. So let's count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the number of data points less than x. So this 29 here would correspond to the 40th percentile. So 29 is my 40th percentile. Now the question is asking what tuition rates are below the 40th percentile. And the answer to that would be all the numbers that I just circled. So that would be 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 26, and 29.